Same, take a look at the AKM E-Torx Plus socket set. So I do really like this case. So this is something where you can easily pull these things out. They're not like pinching on there, so you gotta like grab a screwdriver so you can pry them out. These things, they just have a nice deep well where it holds them in. Still very easy to actually pull out. They're also labeled on the case. We got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 14, 16. This one's pretty interesting. So it says this is an 8.8, but if you look at it, this is actually a 5-point. I'm not sure that I've actually seen one like this. It is a unique heavy-duty socket. The rest of these are 6 points, so we go back to, we got 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32. Now we can't see on here, there is a difference between Torx and Torx Plus. So the Torx Plus has that more squared off profile. This one is a little bit more sharp. Now the main benefit of this is that if you use this on a Torx Plus fastener, you're going to have a much higher torque transmission. So it's still going to do better than a regular hex head, but this one is going to be even better than that. So can you use Torx Plus with a Torx fastener? The answer is yes, you can. I've done it many times. It does work, but you're not supposed to. You're supposed to use Torx Plus with Torx Plus and Torx with Torx. So here I've got a T50 Torx head socket and an E10 E-Torx. And you can see that meshes in no problem. If I do that with the Torx Plus, same thing. So it will work, but you do increase your chances of rounding off that fastener. These fasteners are not uncommon. You do see these, and when you do see them, probably going to want to use an impact with them. That is why I like this set so much, because this is an impact-rated E-Torx Plus set. So quite often we'll find a stud like this, and you can see it's got a Torx set on there. That makes it so that it can actually be narrower than the threads, while still giving you something you can easily grab onto. You mostly find these things in exhaust systems. I know a lot of BMWs use these things, but it's just a stud. It has a flat in here that's unthreaded, so that way you can mash it in there, and you've got something that you can actually jam up against. And that's where something like this can come in handy, because oftentimes those things are just going to be rusted to high heaven. Having something you can actually put an impact on can make a huge difference in your ability to get that thing out. Well, once it's on there, we will have ourselves a nice stud. There we go. The threads are a little messed up. The Torx looks good. And no damage to that socket. So for a kit like this is going to be a necessary tool for a lot of stuff that you're going to come across. And I found out what this one is. This is actually for changing out Tesla batteries. So I had to look that one up. So it's very interesting to put that in there. It's going to be kind of a very niche tool. The fact that you got it with all these other sockets, I mean, that's probably the best place for it. So yeah, that is a very cool set.